it easy, honey. Move it. Hey, I'll be on my way now. Take it easy. Take it easy. Hey, relax.
What is that smell?
Must have brought it up from the sewers.
Bueno said he heard things moving behind the wall.
What? So these things can just burst out anywhere? We gotta get out of this place.
Okay, yeah, we'll send help.
No one's coming to get us, okay? No one. We have to help ourselves. Now, this plane that you have.
Won't hold everybody.
Well, we could draw straws.
No! We all get out of here and no one is left behind.
Great. How are we gonna do that? Walk out of here, just single file?
Are you crazy?
They didn't want him getting out.
That's right. He's dangerous.
Angel, what do you think? I think we don't have much of a choice.
This is insane. Crystal, look at me. What do you think? I may not even hear that, though.
I guess I am. I agree with Angel. If this guy thinks he knows the way out, I want to hear it.
All right.
Seriously? This is a mistake. This is a big mistake.
You better keep your eyes on him.
I was wondering how long it would take.